The Notes app on your iPad is a powerful accessibility tool that supports many ways of learning. Let's explore a few of the ways Notes can support learning. First of all, you can type using the keyboard. This will allow individuals who are confident in typing to get their ideas down. However, you might have some individuals who find handwriting or spelling slightly challenging. In this case, you may want to use dictation. On your keyboard, you will see there is a microphone icon. By clicking on this, you start dictation mode and everything you say will appear on the screen. To stop dictation mode, press the icon with the microphone. See, everything I have said has appeared. I can then highlight this text. I can listen to it by clicking on it and scrolling down to speak. I can also choose to translate it By doing this, individuals can listen back to their work and proofread it independently. Another method individuals may use is to add recorded audio. To do this, click the paperclip icon at the top of the screen. As you scroll down, you will see the record audio button. By clicking on this, you are able to record audio clicking on the red dot, for example, a key point in a lesson or something important that you need to remember and revisit. Once you are finished, click pause and then click done. You will see this has inserted my recording straight into my note, so everything is in one place. I can play it back, and by clicking on it, I can also see a transcript of everything that has been said in my recording. This may allow individuals to revisit notes in multimedia ways. Another way individuals may want to make notes is using an Apple Pencil, a Scriva stylus, or another form of stylus. This will support those who prefer getting their ideas down using a pencil and who think more spatially. To do this, click on the markup icon at the top of the screen. You will see the toolbar has appeared in the bottom right corner. By clicking on this, it gives me all my options of different pens and different colours. I can also move this around the screen if it is in my way. Using your stylus, you can then write and make notes. You will notice that it has auto-corrected my handwriting slightly to make it look slightly more presentable and legible. Another way that individuals may like to make notes is by taking a picture of learning materials. For example, a worksheet, a presentation, a whiteboard, or something similar. To do this, click on that paperclip icon again. You can either choose to take the photo or video, or choose photo or video. This time I'm going to choose one and select an article I wrote that I've previously taken a picture of. You will see this has inserted it into my note, and I can move it around the page and drag the corners to make it bigger. So if this was something an individual was reviewing, they may then want to highlight or circle or underline key parts of the text. To do this, by clicking on the markup toolbar again, you will see the same toolbar appears, and I can circle text or underline it. I may even want to put a wee side note in. This allows individuals to focus on the content and the learning rather than copying down large amounts of text, and helps with their memory and processing. Notes really values thinking over formatting, giving learners choice, flexibility, and independence in their learning.